name's Aiden, and I work on a potato farm in Canada, and I'm just gonna make a video series of what goes into growing a crop of potatoes and some of the other crops you grow here on the farm. Right now it's March, and we still got quite a bit of snow on the ground, and as you can see, but this is when the work starts for the growing season. So we got some conveyor belts and equipment that we use to move our potatoes, and it's some of it hasn't been used since storing our last year's crop, so we got to wash the mud off it, and then we got to disinfect it. We're gonna start hauling. Next year's, or this coming spring's, seed potatoes that are going to be planted into the ground home next week. So we got to get this stuff all washed off, get the mud off it, and then we're going to disinfect it just to make sure we're not spreading any diseases or any of that kind of stuff. So anyway. There, how's that? Look much better. I don't know, when you look at this machine, it's kind of hard to... This is a bin piler, we call it. We load trucks with it, with potatoes, and load our storages, which are behind us like that. And as you can tell, it's hard to wash one part without a part that you've already cleaned getting dirty again. So I do quite a bit of repeat work, just rinsing off stuff that I've already got the hard mud off of, but then it gets sprayed all over again. So it's a timely process, but we'll get her done. Well, it's dinner time, so we got that washed, and now we just got this to do and the other two to do. They won't take near as long, and I can hit them with a soap and get stuff put away. Some stuff has to be, gotta use that skid steer, and some stuff can drive itself. So anyway, we'll go for dinner, and should have warmed up. There's some ice freezing up on some stuff, so it's nice to I don't know, have it not freezing on you when you're using the disinfectant. So we'll get that looked after dinner. Well, we're back from lunch, and a little warmer out. Lost my coat. Got this telescoping belt. What I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen these chains, take this out. Same thing on the other side, and this top layer pulls out to lengthen the belt out. And so I'm going to do that so I can wash both up and down. Got his. Oh, there, see? So that comes out like that. Lengthens our belt out. Run some of this dry dirt right off. All this stuff would have been really wet and sticky when we put this thing away, and after harvest for a long time, a lot of stuff gets put away dirty. I mean, pay attention to the things that really matters too, but stuff like this that we're not going to be using all winter, we just put it away with the mud still on it. Especially a year like this year, where we were really late getting done, so. So I went and looked in another potato house, and extension's not there, so we jump in the truck and head over to the home farm, because maybe it's there. Well, made it to the home farm. This is where my grandfather lives. Found it. This. Now we're ready for the soap. Alrighty, well, time to spray some bubbles. That's all there is to it. Time to do this one. You don't look so good. Sorry if my lens is smudgy. I think it would be clean for all the cleaning I've been doing. It's like one clean machine to me. So, Dad and I just went and run to a place to look at some parts just for some spring prep here. And anyway, but I got those two things washed off, and now we're gonna get them put away here. So, got this book. It's not much, but it's just we just write down when we clean stuff, disinfect stuff, so we can keep track of it. I'm gonna write in there, and so now that the bend piler is disinfected, we can drive it over there, put it inside. Bend piler's kind of neat. It's got its own little hydraulic motors on the wheels, and I can drive it right here with these controls forward, and it steers itself. It's self-propelled, but I got a wireless remote too that I use to run it, so do some of that. Just gotta have it plugged into the wall. Well, we get her this far. Now we gotta get in that door. Well, my camera was dying on me, so I don't know how much of the skid steer work I got for you guys, but anyway, we got that telescoping belt. Get it pulled up to the building there. We couldn't, not enough room to put it inside, so we just left it outside. And not really sure what we got planned for the morning, so I don't know if there's something to video, I'll video it. And thanks for watching. And be sure to subscribe and like and leave a comment, and feel free to ask lots of questions. And should get some more exciting stuff for you guys coming up soon.